from this, should we continue at this point? Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and here where we take up our bed and walk, or we make up our bed and strut. Okay. So my name is Ronnie. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this look here. And if you're interested, stay tuned. One more pump of primer. I mean, it's just one shade lighter. Just one shade lighter. Who am I hurting? That is... That's not what's up. We're gonna keep going. Honey, that is what have I done? Oh. We're gonna keep going. Against my better judgment, we're gonna keep going. We got the contour that can darken it up. We got some stuff that we can... Why are we using flour as our foundation? And I'm just gonna... Ooh, I did not plan on... That's a lot. Brushes over there, dirty brushes over there, dirty brushes over there. So I'm just going to, just because I feel some type of way about my highlighter being a little darker than my foundation, I'm gonna go on with this mustard color, and we're just going to do that. And we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like this. Okay? We're gonna bring it down the bridge of the nose. This is gonna give us that you don't want to go there with me. Look. Okay, don't try me. Look. As a waitress, when my makeup is cute, my day is so much smoother. I wish I could record people's reactions when I walk to the table on different days. Of course, different people gonna do different things, but and man in his altogether best state is vanity, but it never fails. When you look a certain way, people, they kind of look up like, oh, we have the pleasure to, what do we owe the pleasure of you waiting on us? And then there's sometimes I come in there looking like a potato. Plain face, and they're just like, and maybe it's my attitude changes when I'm, you know, all dolled up or whatever. Who knows? You feel confident, you exude confidence. But it's like when you're, I don't know. I've taken 0 courses in psychology. I don't know what I'm talking about. And again, yes, I do. I've lived through it. Experience sometimes can go further than knowledge, book knowledge. Okay, add some more depth into the face because that highlight took everything. Like a bad divorce, it just took everything. So, you guys, these nails are staying on longer than anticipated. I'm just like, I wanted them to be off so I could do a different set tomorrow. I mean, I could still do it. I know how to soak them off, but I'm just surprised that they're, you know, being compliant. Okay, so we're just gonna narrow this a little bit more. We'll appreciate your subscription, your like, and your comment. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me 30. And I'm just going to do what I do. It took me a while to realize that adding the powder was also part of the nose contour. I thought it was just the darkness of it, the shadowing of it. But no. It is actually the powder part of it. So now we're gonna spray a little bit more. I use our beauty blender that has been through hell and back. If you're a content creator and you're watching this, subscribe, donate. Eyeshadow, we're gonna do this brush here, and it's gonna be a transitional color of this one. I don't know why I'm always gravitating to that one. Because my eyelashes they got a little eyeshadow on them, we're just gonna make them black again. Ooh. I hate using mascara. I feel like mascara is like car insurance. You don't want it, but you might but you're gonna need it. So you don't want it. Nobody wants to put on mascara. You need it to help you with your lashes. You need it to help define your eyes, but nobody's like. Then again, don't forget to hit that like button. No, no, no. Stop the press. Gotta get a little closer. When you feel your eye itching or your eye getting a little watery, that is a clear indication to stop what you're doing, move your hand, and let your eye like just chill out, because if you continue, you're gonna be blinking and you're gonna get the mascara and the glue all over everywhere. Bottom lash line, I should have stopped before I did that. I wish I had some dramatic music that I would be playing right now. But on my Android Samsung, it gives me the same little selection. Y'all know. To all of my new subscribers, I apologize for my music. I don't know how to do all the fancy cute stuff. If I did, I would be having music that is curated with my personality. I left that comment on Latoya Lockett's YouTube, and she liked my comment. I think she even said, "I love this comment." And I was like, you talk about, honey, made my whole life just. I love it when celebrities reach out and just, that's like better than an autograph. Yes, I screenshot it. Yes, I still have it. Somebody that's been all over the world is taking time out to talk to little old me and appreciate something that I did for them. That just, honey, that just. Not putting people on a pedestal or anything like that, but you have to give honor to whom honor is due. That's not just anybody, honey. That's Latoya. Yes, she's human like everybody else, but that's Latoya. In all her humanisms. Okay, so I think this is it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Put that glue. I need to put my socks and shoes on. I'll put a little bit of pink on the cheeks. That way it can distract them from staring at my other cheeks. Let me stop. Just gonna do it like that. Tap it. This is how we do it in Kansas, y'all. Don't. Okay, this is how I do it in Kansas. Kansas City. And I don't know. I'm gonna put a little shimmer on them cheeks. Strobe 02, or is it 01? Strobe light 02. I have it memorized. I'm really not. I'm really not feeling myself. In me that is in my flesh dwelleth no good thing. Favor is deceitful and beauty is vain, but a woman that fears the Lord, she shall be praised. Can I get an amen in the comment section? Thanks, you guys. Thanks for taking time out to watch this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for comment, liking, and subscribing. I don't care if you share. I appreciate your subscription, your like, and your comment. Thank you.